What are you doing, kid? You hurt?
No, just taking a little rest.
Where are you headed?
To Mount Pals.
That'll take forever.
Yeah.
Want a ride?
That'd be awesome. Thanks a lot, mister.
You want to buy?
No thanks. I've got plenty of food. My backpack is full of it. Why are we stopping here?
Time to lighten our load. You know, less than you can hold it for 2 hours.
2 hours? I'd better go.
Hey, you forgot your pack.
What do you mean?
Thanks for the grub, kid.
What? Hey, come back here! You've got my stuff! Wait. Perfect. Right when I'm getting hungry.